In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create e-signature in Adobe Acrobat tutorial. We'll start by opening your document. You can use Adobe Acrobat DC Pro or the free Reader app. If you don't have the desktop version, you can also open your file in the Adobe Acrobat online tool right from your browser. Make sure the file is a PDF and not password protected or locked for editing, so everything works smoothly. Next, access the Fill and Sign feature. On desktop, look to the right-hand pane and click Fill and Sign. If you prefer the toolbar, click the e-sign button with the pen icon at the top. Both options lead to the same place, so choose whichever you see first. Now it's time to add your signature. In the Quick Actions toolbar, click Sign Yourself or Add Signature. This opens a dialog box where you can create your signature in the way that suits you best. If you select Type, simply type your name and pick a font style that looks natural and professional. This is quick and consistent. If you choose Draw, use your mouse, trackpad, or touchscreen to handwrite your signature. Go slowly for smoother lines and don't worry if it's not perfect. You can redo it until you are happy. If you already have a scanned signature, use Image to upload it. A clear, high-contrast image on a white background works best, and cropping out extra space helps it look clean. If you prefer to sign on your phone, pick Mobile. Acrobat will guide you through sending a link to your device so you can capture your signature there and bring it back into your document. Once your signature looks right, click Apply. Your cursor will turn into the signature preview. Move to the spot where you want it, usually a signature line or the bottom of the page, and click to place it. If it lands slightly off, you can drag it to fine. Tune the position. To adjust size, use the small A and large A icons to scale your signature down or up without distortion. You can also drag the corner handles to resize manually. Aim for a size that's readable but not overwhelming, and align it with any baseline or label on the form. Finally, save your document to keep the signature applied. Use Save or Save as if you'd like to keep a copy with the signature while preserving your original file. That's it. Thanks for watching.